Every dollar you spend can be a point toward your next trip. Here's a clear map of how to earn Amex membership rewards points. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. It starts with having the right card. Cards like the Amex Gold, Platinum, and Green earn membership rewards points. Everyday cards like Blue Cash Everyday earn cash back, not points. Then, know your bonus categories. The Gold earns 4x at restaurants and supermarkets. The Platinum earns 5x on flights booked directly with airlines. Use the right card for the right purchase to multiply your earnings. My crucial pro tip: stack with shopping portals. Before you buy anything online, check the Amex offers section and the separate Amex Rakuten portal. You can often earn bonus points through Rakuten, which can be set to pay in Amex points, on top of your card's base earning rate. That's double dipping. Be strategic and watch your points balance soar. What's your favorite card and category for racking up points? For more guides on strategic spending, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.